Good day everyone, my name is Jefferson C. Balaba from Banderan, Valencia, Bohol. Welcome to my first vlog. Today I'm going to talk about my personal experiences and what I learned about resilience after the 2013 Bohol earthquake. Stay tuned as I share my stories of strength and hope.
Adto nga time ko paglinog kay namin sa balay niya duha kanda na pa mong balay niya kani kay nananis balay sa akong auntie adto nga time katanaw mig cartoons sa maguwang si mama nas gawas ganil cutter among tanaw atong cartoon kay kani Toy Story 10 years old pa man ko adto mo to pag nilinog. Sumato ko itong paglinog, dali-dali ko nidong sa TV ang gawidtan. Nya, bali nidong po na magwang na, pero wala mo man siya diya. Nya, after ato, nigawas ko ani. Nidong kong mama. Nanggawas mi tanan. Nya, ang papa ni Wadia kay nagtrabaho.
After that earthquake, I felt nervous and afraid. I am afraid because there is more aftershocks coming, and that time I was just only 10 years old. But thank you for God because my families and I were just safe. The biggest challenge that we face is that we decided to sleep on the sidewalk of the road because our house is just only made out of wood. And we are afraid that our house is going to collapse. Doa pa man to kanda na mong balay. But thank God, our house didn't collapse. But our neighborhood, ilang balay, nihirig og gamay. So we decided to help them rebuild their house. My advice to my viewers in case of earthquake is don't panic, always be prepared because panic doesn't help you guys. Makakuha na samot, makaguba na gimong emosyon. Yeah. Prepared kay we can predict that kind of disaster like earthquake. And also support your neighbor because you don't know that they're also panicking and they need advice. And like I said, support them rebuild their house. First guys is adaptability. Adjusting plans and expectations to the new reality is crucial. Being flexible helps navigate unforeseen challenges. Second guys is focus on positives. Gratitude for what remains intact or achievable can sustain hope. Number 3 is continuous learning. Using setbacks as opportunities to grow and prepare better for the future. Like for example, after facing failure, realize strategies and learn skills to address gaps. So you learn in my experiences that you need to cultivate relationships, stay prepared, share stories, practice self-compassion. Okay, these combined approaches community support, personal determination, and learning from experiences create a foundation for resilience. Guys, remember, no matter how tough things get, we can always find the strength to rise above. Support each other, stay strong, and keep moving forward. So, moro tayo matambag guys. And that's all for today's video guys. Thank you for listening and watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you, bye bye. And don't forget to like and share and subscribe.